We have read on that. The first and the foremost is that when we are changing from singular to plural, okay, when we are changing from singular to plural, we use a word s, okay, in many cases. When a singular word ends with ch, sh, ox, in these words, if the singular word ends, then when we are changing those words to the plural, we add es. We add es. And when a word ends with y, okay, when a word ends with y and it is followed with a consonant, it is followed with a consonant. Instead of y, we use ies to change into plural. We use ies to change into plural. At the same time, when we are going for a word that ends with y, but it is followed with a vowel, then there we use a word only s. We will not change y into ie and will not add s. We will just put s there, okay. And if a word ends with f or fe, then we use a word ves instead of f or fe. Okay, instead of f or fe, what we will use? Ves. Okay, and in some cases where in the singular the word ends with us, the word ends with us, then when we are changing that into plural, we use only a word I instead of us. We use I instead of us. If a word ends with o, okay, if a word ends with o, when we change that word into plural, we use the word only s. Okay, in most of the cases this goes on, but in some cases it may be only s we are using. Okay, and in some irregular words are there. In that irregular word, some words are there where the vowels will be changed, and some words are there where the total word only which changes. Okay, those are only irregular nouns. Yes or no? And by reading, we have read till here, and yesterday we have done one exercise, and that one I have given you homework to do it. Yes or no? You have to collect those things and you have to do it. So now get ready, we will be doing question number B. And in question number B also I am telling you, I am just going to do some only and rest you people will be doing. Okay? Come on, do it. Ready all of you with your book, copy, pen, pencil and everything? Come on, take out everything. Book, because this one you have to do in copy. Okay, question number B will be done in copy. Question number D also will be done in copy. Okay, so that's why both you take out, do it. So let's start. So here you see what he has given. Rewrite these sentences changing the singular noun to plural and vice versa. Okay. Rewrite these sentences as changing the singular noun to plural. See, here the sentences are there. If they are there in singular, you have to change it into plural. And if they are in plural, then you have to change it into singular. You have to do this, and along with that, make other changes as required. One has been done for you. Instead of this, you have to do some more changes which are required in this. Okay, like the helping verbs, if you are changing that into plural, the helping verbs will be changing. Yes or no? So that one also you have to keep in mind. One has been done for you. So first one you see, he toppled the field of the cliff. He will become they, plural. They toppled and fell off the cliffs. Okay, done. Second one, see, There is a bridge over the river. There is a bridge over the river. So, there are bridges over the rivers. 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 Like that only. Third one you see. The ox pulled the farm equipment. The ox pulled the farm equipment. The oxen pulled the farm equipment. The oxen pulled the farm equipment. He is neither a chief nor a king. He is neither a chief nor a king. So here he is neither. So we will change it into plural. So they are neither a chiefs nor kings. They are neither chefs 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 nor kings. A man's foot is larger than a woman's. A man's foot is larger than a woman. See, here we have man. Man will change into men's. Foot will change into feet. Is larger than woman. It is larger than women's. It is larger than women's. The ladies were dressed in their best dresses. The ladies were dressed in their best dresses. Here you see the sentence is totally there in plural. Okay, then that sentence you have to change into singular. That sentence you have to change into singular. So what will be the singular? The lady, where will become was. The lady was dressed in her best dress. Okay, the lady was dressed in her best dress. Clear? I have to write it. You people can do of yourself now. 5 I have given, it is from 6 to 10 you people will be doing of yourself. If the sentence is in singular, then change it into plural. If the sentence is in plural, then change it into singular. Clear everyone? Any doubt? No doubts? So now we will go for our next question number C. This one you people will complete. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. Okay. So here question number C you see. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct form of the word given in the brackets. Here, along with the sentence, words are given in the bracket and two options are given. From those two options, which one is the correct option, that one you have to select and you have to write. First of all, you put tick there and you will write the correct answer. Is it clear? So come on, first one you see. I have 3 child or children. I have 3 children. I have 3 children. One is for child. So take it and write out. There are 5 dash and 1 dash in the room. There are 5 men. What is the plural of man? Men. M-E-N. And 1 woman. W-O-M-A-N. W-O-M-A-N. And 1 woman in the room. Take 2 big dash and boil them. 2 big potato or potatoes. What will come? Potatoes. T-O-P-O-T-O-P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Nowadays, very few men wear dash. Very few men wear watches. Watch or watches? It will be watches. W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Watches. I need to buy a dozen dash for the party. Dozen cups for the party. Dozen cups for the party. And what do you mean? How many counting will be there in dozen? Who can say? Whoever can say, just put it in the discussion box. Okay, 1 dozen means what is the quantity? There are few dash on the road today. There are few buses. There are few buses on the road today. B-U-S-E-S, buses. We are going to feed the flock of dash by the river. Flock of geese. Flock of geese. Goose is the singular form and flock of geese. Z-E-E-S-E, geese. The school organized a party only for dash on Mother's Day. The school organized party only for mothers. Only for mothers. Only for mothers. I saw a dash scamper by. I saw a mouse. I saw a mouse scamper by. I saw a mouse scamper by. The class will get free dash today. Will get free. The class will get free pencils. The class will get free pencils. 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 The dash braved the storm and managed to bring the boats safely to the shore. The dash braved the storm and managed to bring the boat safely to the shore. Fisherman or fishermen? Fishermen. Fishermen. The dash are pruned once in 6 months. The bushes are. The bushes are. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes are pruned once in 6 months. You have put tick and you will write that in the blanks. Okay. Use pencil. Write it in neat and clean handwriting. Clear? Good. These sentences have errors. Now we'll go for question number D. Question number D. Come on. These sentences have errors in the use of singular and plural nouns. The sentences here you see there are some sentences which are there. They are having some errors. Errors means mistakes. Okay, always remember errors means mistakes. By using of the singular or plural, there are some mistakes in the nouns. Spot the errors and rewrite the sentences. One has been done for you. What you have to do, you have to spot the error. You have to find the error. You have to find the mistake. Then you have to correct it and you have to write the correct sentence. Okay? So here you see the first one has been done for you. We need to buy new office furniture. We need to buy new office furniture. Once if a word comes furniture, there is no word called furniture. Furniture itself is plural. It comes under your singular, it comes under your plural. Okay, so furniture is your wrong word. So that's why he has corrected and he has written the sentence. Like that only second one you can see. I can see Lucy's crawling in her hair. It will be lies. It will be lies. So once you have found, first of all you will find the error. So here he has given loses. Loses is your error. It will be lies. Okay. So first you will find the error. You have got the error and you have got the correct word. What to be used. Once you are getting the correct word, then you will write. I can see lies crawling in her hair. So here what you have to do, you have to just first of all you have to just find the mistakes. Okay, underline the mistakes, then recorrect the mistakes and write the sentence. Okay, clear? Understood everyone? You have to rewrite it in your copy. So here question number B and question number D, both you will be doing homework in your copy. Okay. Third one you see. There are 2 churches near Mohini's apartment. There are 2 churches near Mohini's apartment. In this, what is wrong, you people just tell me. What is wrong in this? Churches. What is the spelling of church? C-H-U-R-C-H. So the word is ending with CH. Then we have to add ES. So we have to add ES. So when we add ES, it becomes churches. But here he has given the word CHURCS. Yes or no? So you got the wrong word. There are two churches. CHURCHES. Churches in the near Mohini's apartment. Got it? Now number 4. The roofs of these three buildings are leaking. The roofs of these 3 buildings are leaking. So what is the wrong here? What is the error here? The error is roofs. The error is roofs. He has written the word roofs are OOVES. But the correct spelling of roofs is ROOFS. ROOFS. Clear? We all have our own set of beliefs. Beliefs. The spelling he has written is BELIEVES. Yes? But what is the correct spelling of beliefs? BELIEFS. It will VES will not come. There will come FE. Okay, BELIEFS. What will come? FS. Clear? That is called as beliefs. Next. Both her son-in-laws are well-mannered. Both her son-in-laws. Here he has given son-in-laws. But the proper word will be sons-in-law. What will be the proper word? Sons-in-law. After son, S will come. It will be sons-in-law. He kept the money in the pocket of his trouser. He kept the money on the pocket of his trouser. Is there any word named trouser? No. Trousers is the proper word. If you are speaking about one trousers also, we say it as trousers only. Okay, it is not called as trouser. It is all trousers, jeans, shirts. Shirt will you can say, but jeans we say it as jeans only. Trousers, we say trousers. Furnitures, spectacles. Okay. Please arrange the books neatly on the shelves. SHELFS here given. So what is the proper spelling of shelves? SHELVES. Okay, because here the F is there. So instead of F we use VES. What we will use? VES. After the long trek, the shepherd's foot hurt. The shepherd's foot hurt. What will be the plural of foots? Foots. The proper word for foot is foots. No, the proper word for foot is feet. The proper word for foot is feet. What is the proper word for foot? Feet. The sheep are grazing in the field. The sheep are grazing in in the field. Here listen all of you. Yesterday only I have told you, and some words singular or plural there will be no S. As we have here you see. Don't get confused. Okay. Sheep. The plural will also be sheep. Okay. Deer. The plural will also be deer only. But when you go for ship, the plural form of ship will be ships. Okay. But there are some words when you are going for to change them into plural, in that only there will be only ship only. In that cases. Okay. In some cases it will be exactly the same. In some cases both singular and plural we use S. In some cases the words will totally change. In some cases the vowels will be changing. Like you can see the words like suppose there is a word foot. Okay, in these cases you see when we are changing this into plural, it becomes feet. We have changed the vowels here. Instead of double O, we have used double E. Okay, and here also tooth. Instead of these double O, we use here double E. It will become teeth. Okay, in some cases they will be same. In some cases the vowels will be changed. In some cases in singular and plural, in both the forms there will be only S. Okay, in both the cases there will be S, like jeans, trousers, jackets, your spectacles, furniture. Furniture, single is also furniture, in group also many things will be there. We will not call it as furnitures, we call it as furniture. Clear? So this is all about your singular and plural which comes under your noun. And always remember, this may be, you can get any type. It may be in fill in the blanks. It may be in table, like singular and plural will be given. He will be asking the plural form of this or the singular form of anything. Okay, that is also done. Or else you will be getting the fill in the to make the sentences, to find out the wrong singular and plural, like that you have given in the here. Like you have to find the errors and you have to do it. Okay, so your homework is do pages 38, question number A, B, and do pace 39, question number D in copy. Okay, what you have to do? You have to do question number 38. This one you have to, if it is in singular, then you have to change it into plural. If this is in plural, then you have to change it into singular. Clear? This one you people will be doing in your copy. And question number D, that one also you have to find the errors. I have discussed. That one also you people will be doing in your copy. Okay. So till here you people have to complete, and till here we have completed till here chapter number 6, all about the subject, sentences. Yes or no? We have all studied about the subject, how to find the words from the dictionary. Yes or no? Then sentences, then types of sentences, then subject and predicate. Once we have done subject and predicate, then we have gone for the prefix and suffix. And now we have entered to noun. Okay, in noun, this is the first, that is number noun. And after this, we are going for the next class, we will study about gender noun. Okay, we will study about gender noun. Clear? So, we will wind up now. So, you people, please keep your copies up to date. The day the school will reopen, I don't want to see any of the copy work to in pending. Okay, it is for each and every one, okay, of your class. You have to attend the classes and you have to complete your work. Okay. Thank you everyone. See you. Bye.